So Paul, PCML, what does your company do?
We're a general subcontractor, but predominantly we work in the biomed sector.
Brilliant. And what's your role here at PCML?
I'm the production director.
Fantastic. You've been working here for 20 years, is that right?
Yeah, I've been here just over 20 years and I was actually the company's first employee.
That's fantastic. And you've obviously seen it through its highs and lows.
Yes, we've grown from a small family-run business now to the medium-sized business with 170 employees.
Brilliant. So you've been working with Lang Workholding for quite a while then?
Yes, we've been using Lang on our 5-axis machines for over 10, 15 years.
That's brilliant. So obviously you've had a good long history with them. And what's your favourite part about Lang Workholding?
Well, we like the fact that it's the repeatability, the quick point accuracy. We're using that on all sorts of fixtures, vices. It's the repeatability, really.
Brilliant. So that's why you've tooled up this new Matsura machine with all Lang Workholding. Is that correct?
Correct, yeah. All 32 pallets have the Lang receiver plate on. 25 of them have centering vices. And as you can see there, we've got a couple of the pyramids as well.
Brilliant. So the pyramids have actually got 3 self-centering vices on a single pallet.
Correct.
Right. So you've got what kind of job are you running on this?
So we run a small plastic part on here, and we'll hold 2 parts per vice. So it's 6 parts each cycle.
So 6 parts on each pyramid. You've got 2 pyramids. So are you running up 10 on one pyramid, and up 20 on another pyramid?
No, we're only running up 10 on those, and we'll back them off on a smaller machine.
So you're doing 12 off every time you set these 2
every time
pallets?
that recycles in, yes.
Brilliant. So what's so good about the Lang plus 32 pallets in the Matsura?
It's the versatility, really. We can use, as I've said already, we can use the quick point system to locate fixtures, vices, hold the component directly to the plate, whichever way you need to do it.
So whether it's billets coming in, raw material, whether it's half machine parts, you can bring them in.
Exactly.
And because of the quick point, you can put any kind of vice on. You can make sure that any part that you require a really fast turnaround time, or you require being able to machine it overnight, then the Lang quick point lets you.
It's the versatility that we like.
That's brilliant. Versatility, reliability, repeatability, and that's what Lang are best known for. And obviously you use quite a lot of these stamping jaws. Have you found that this is a good system over standard
we like the
vice?
stamping system because of the ease of loading. Obviously you don't need to have a stop on the vice, and should you need to put anything back in, they do repeat pretty well.
So we've got repeatability from the stamping vices, and also they grip quite well, don't they?
They do. You're only holding on 2-3 mil in depth of the actual throat of the vice there, but providing you don't go silly, they don't come out.
Now, some people think that you can only use these kinds of stamping vices with soft materials like nylon and aluminium. Have you been using any harder materials with these?
We haven't yet on this machine, but on our other 5-axis machines, we do stainless steel.
So you can do stainless with the stamping and holding on just 3 millimeters,
yes, yeah.
And it's not going to pull out.
It's
totally reliable.
Whatsoever.
And that's why you've chosen Lang time and time again for the past 15 years.
Exactly, because we've used it for that long, we know what it does. Basically, it says it does what it says on the tin.
Have you got any more plans for Lang Workholding in the rest of your workshop, Paul?
Well, I'm looking to roll out the quick point system onto our other vertical machining centres, so the speed of loading vices, fixtures, bed bars, etc. I'm also looking to take it to our CMMs, so we could take a job straight off the Matsura or one of the Haas 5-axis machining centres straight to the CMM.
Since you're looking to make sure you have a universal fixture system across your workshop, is that going to make it a little bit easier to move jobs around?
Yeah, it's the versatility of being able to take any size vice, the various vices that Lang offer, put it onto the quick point plate and put it onto any machine effectively.
And since you have the same machines across your shop floor, that's going to make it even easier you've got the same control, same fixture system.
Exactly, yeah, just follow through, all the tooling's the same program. We can utilise any machine to do almost any job.
That's it, standardisation.
Exactly.